Welcome guys, I am Subha Malik. In this video I am going to show you how to create these custom shapes in PowerPoint, and also I will teach you how to merge and combine shapes in PowerPoint too. So let's create insert slide, new slide, then go to insert shapes and insert a circle. Hold down the shift key and drag. It will insert a perfectly circular or rounded circle. Change the color to this one and outline to no outline. Now by holding shift, resize it. Again go to insert shapes, insert this rectangular shape and just like that. Now change its color to this and outline to no outline. Now select both of these, then Ctrl plus D to duplicate them, just like that. Now select these two shapes, go to shape format, merge shapes and subtract. This will create this quarter shape. Now select these two shapes, merge shapes and intersect. Now we have created our first shape, this one, like that. Now select both of them and merge shapes and union. We have created a new shape from existing two shapes. Now create our second shape, this one. It is simple as well. Insert shapes and insert this one. Hold the shift key like that. Now I will show you the simple way to copy the format. Just click this shape, go to home, format painter and then again click on this shape. This will copy the format from this existing shape. Now go to insert shapes and insert this arrow. Rotate it, make it smaller, place it here, then select these two shapes, go to merge shapes and union. Okay, now we have created our second shape. Let's create this one, this balloon shape. Insert shapes and insert this bubble, rotate it like this, change its fill color to red and outline to no outline. Then go to insert shapes, insert a line, drag like this, then go to shape outline, arrows and this rounded heads. Click on them and you can merge them as well, holding shift and selecting these. No, actually it is not allowing to merge. You can drag it to make it smaller or like that, or you can drag this to move it here or make it smaller as well. But in this video I have created like this. Now let's create our this one. Go to insert shapes, insert a circle by holding shift, copy the format from this shape, home, format painter, and click on this shape. Now make it smaller. Go to insert again, shapes, recently used shapes, arrows, and insert arrow like this, which is crossing it. Now select these two shapes, merge shapes and union. You can rotate them as you want. Hold the shift key and make it smaller like this. Rotate it, place it here. Now I will create our final shape, and this is something like this. Go to insert shapes, insert this rounded corner rectangle, make it, drag to make it bigger, move this slider or pointer. Now copy the format from this shape, home, format painter, click on this. Now duplicate this, and place it like here. Now select both of them, move it here. Now change this. Select these two shapes, go to shape format, merge shapes and fragment. Now move it here, move it here and here. Now click on this shape and Ctrl+D to duplicate it, and you can move it here. Let's move this shape here. Now we have all set with our shapes. You can make it smaller or like this. Then you can select these four and go to shapes and union. That's it, boys. We have simply created these shapes very quick and easy way, and PowerPoint is just wonderful software or tool to create multiple shapes and images. I have its version of Office 365 and it is wonderful. It also allows me to save my images in 300 dpi. I hope you will love this video, and also if you love this video, do share this video and also subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. And I will also show you to create some other shapes. New slide like this. Insert this rectangle. This is a bonus tip. No outline. Then insert some other shape like this. This is in the center. Select both of these, then go to shapes and intersect or subtract or fragment or combine. You can select any of them. Just click on subtract. Now we have this shape, a new shape which has a star in it. You can change its color to red, black, or anything else. Similarly, you can create something like this. And insert a rectangular shape, make it smaller, select both of these, shape format, and union, combine, fragment, intersect, or subtract. We have now half arrow, and then insert some arrow like this, then select these two shapes and union. This is not very fine shape to create, but the idea is to play around and make your own shapes using PowerPoint. Like this shape, these shapes, you can create multiple shapes and play around with PowerPoint. This is very cool software. If you like this video, then do hit the like button, thumbs up button, and also subscribe to my channel for more cool videos. Thank you.